Welcome to Linux Help, how to install MantisBT CMS on Debian 12. Mantis is an open-source bug tracking system that is available for free, which is written in PHP. It is compatible with various database servers. Mantis offers a sophisticated dashboard for efficiently managing assigned bugs. Additionally, it boasts robust access control features, allowing for user access to be tailored on a per-project basis. The system is highly adaptable, permitting customization of issue fields, notifications, and workflow processes. Check the OS version by using following command. Install the dependencies by using following command. Log in to MySQL console by using following command. Create database by using following command. Create user for database by using following command. Make the grant privileges by using following command. Refresh the privileges by using following command. Exit from MySQL by using following command. Download the zip file by using following command. Unzip the file by using following command. MV the directory to the document root location by using following command. Make the ownership to the document root directory by using following command. Make permission to the document root directory by using following command. Create the virtual host by using following command. Disable the default site by using following command. Enable the Mantis virtual host by using following command. Enable the rewrite module by using following command. Restart the Apache by using following command. Go to the browser and search the IP address as shown in below image. Given database credentials as shown in below image. Verify the installation and click Continue as shown in below image. Enter the default admin user and password as shown in below image. Default admin password is root. Given the new password as shown in below image. Login with new admin credentials as shown in below image. This is the dashboard of Mantis CMS on. This is the steps to install MantisBT CMS on Debian 12. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any queries kindly mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.